Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in my online class. I hope everyone will be fine. Today, here is the poem. I opened a book. Okay, and everyone know that book is the best friend of the human. If you have alone, you have no friend, then you start to read, taking any books, any kind of the books. And when you are starting to read it, you have to get many of the knowledge from that book, and you never get to himself like a alone person. Okay, so know that the book is a very important for our life. Here is the poet. And poet is a composer Julia Donaldson, and she writes a poem. I opened a book, and in this poem, the imaginary world, a book brings to us, remains with us long after we read the book. Okay, it means when we read something like any imaginary books, any real related world, or a magical books, then we know that we are also involved in the story, involved in the characters, and we forgot our real life wherever we do something. Okay, and same situation happened with the Juliet Johnson. And what she says one by one many stanza, and first I read the stanza and then also explain the whole poem in your own language. Okay, so start the poem, and first stanza is I opened a book and I strode. Okay, I opened a book and in a I strode. Now nobody can find me. I have left my tears, my house, my road, my town, and my world behind me. Okay, here is the poem. In the first stanza, the poet says that what she says that when she opened the book, okay, when she opened the book, she strode. Okay, she strode, it means she nobody stand in their real life. Okay, and now nobody can find him her. Okay, nobody can find her because she completely involved in the books. Okay, she completely involved in the books, and start to read the books one by one, all the lines. And she next says that when she start to read book, she also forgot everything around her. Okay, she left everything. She left everything. What she left? She left his chair, his house, his road, his town, and he also left his real world where she is sitting and start to read the poem or read the book. Okay, she forgot everything. Here in the second stanza, see that I am wearing the clogs. I have slept on the ring. I have swallowed the magic potions. I have fought with a dragon and dined with a king, and I died in a bottomless ocean. Here, what she says in the second stanza, she is wearing the clogs. Clogs means a long, huge outer garments without sleeves. Okay, here the cloth means a long, huge outer. It means she also wore a long, huge outer garments. Okay, and without sleeves. Clear? Without sleeves, she put on a long dress that was very loose. Okay, and she also slipped. She also slipped on the ring. She slipped on the ring. Ring is a large hole. Okay, it is a large hole wherever she slipped there. Okay, and she also after the slipping she also swallowed the magic potion. Magic potion means a drink with magical power. When she enters in the imaginary world, when she go or went into the imaginary world, she also drink with a magical power, and after the drinking magical power, she fought with a very big dragon. She fought with a very big dragon, and then after the fighting of dragon, she also take the dinner with a king. With a king. Who is the king? It is the king of imaginary world. Okay, not a real world. Clear? Why? Because she reads a book and involved in the story. Okay, and died in a bottomless ocean, and she also sank. She also died in a bottomless means that had no surface. He had not think about the surface of the ocean. Okay, and she died in the deep ocean. Clear? And in the third stage, I opened a book and made some friends. I shared their tears and laughter and followed their road with its bumps and bends to the happily ever after. Okay. She in the third stanza she says that when she opened the book, okay, when she start to read the book and involve the story, she also made some important friend. When she enter the story, she also meet with some of the person, and that person will be made a friend by her, and she also shared whole his tears and laughter, and the that and her all friends also share his tears, his laughter, his present, his enjoyment, everything. Okay, and she, it means the poet also followed the road with its bumps and bends. Okay, bumps and bends. It means bumps means to jolt. Bumps means to jolt, and bends means turning. See, wherever her friends moving there, she also moving with them. Okay, she also take one by one whole step and followed his friends there, and he became very happy. She was very happy that he ever after that she ever after he became so happy. Clear? And in the last change is I have finished my book and out I came. The clocks can no longer hide me. My chairs and my house are just the same, but I have a book inside me. Okay, in the last stanza, the poetess says that what she says that when she complete to read the book, when she finished her book to read, then she come out from the imaginary world. Okay, when she come out from the imaginary world, she found that she had no any clocks. Okay, she had no any clock. A clock means a long whose outer garments. Okay, and she found that the clock was not covered her a longer time. Okay, she is not hide no hide into the clocks. Okay, and she also says that when she come in the real world, when she returned from the imaginary world, she found that his chair, his house, and everything he has found. Okay, he has found, but she have a book inside. She has a book inside her. It means she also left her mind, she left her heart, and she also left every thinking in the books. It means now she also thinking about the whole story and whole the present and hold the sorrow that spent in the imaginary world. Clear? So I hope you all understand this interesting story, this interesting poem that composed by the Juliet Sanson. In this story, you know in this poem, you know that the composer of the poem, Julia de Sanson. Okay, the poem tell us you that the poet forgot the world while reading a book. Okay, it means when she start to read the books, she forgot everything to around her. Okay, she forgot everything means his chair, his house, his road, his town, his everything. She also forgot his real world. Okay, and then the poet leaves the real world and behind when she reads a book. Okay, she also left the real world and enter the imaginary world when she start to read the books. Clear? And when the poet finished the books, she comes back to the real world. Okay, it means many times. It means in the first stanza, you can see in the first stanza, in the second stanza, in the third stanza, the poetess express that she involved in the poem and she getting many of the work, and she also solve that deeds like a fought with the dragon, take a lunch with the king, and also died in a bottomless ocean. Okay, and she also involved with her friends and also share all the happiness and all the sorrow. It means sorrow means tears with her friends, and then wherever her friends went, she also followed them, and then she complete to read the story and come back from the story. She found that she is standing in a real world, and she also forgot everything. Sorry, she also left everything that mentioned in the story. She only feels the character. She play the character in the story by thinking, her thinking. Okay, and when she complete to read the books, she come back in a real world, and when she come back in the real world, she know that everything is their proper place, and no one thinks is left from around her, and that is the consciousness of the reading. Okay, it is the very important to read very deeply with the patience, and when you read anything by heart, then you also forgot what will be happen around yourself. Okay, see, it is the important fact. It is the important fact to read the story. If you read by heart, then you no one pay attention what will be happen your behind and what will be happen your forward. Okay, so I hope you all understand this poem very easily. So first you write all the hard word in your CW copy, and then also write a central idea of this story in your CW copy. Clear? First you read the all stanza one by one, and then write the central idea of the story in your CW copy. It is your home assignment. Clear? And thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.